Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Donald Coleman presiding. While in court, there is no eating, no drinking, no sleeping, no chewing, or reading or any material. Court is now in session.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. This is case number 21-14-1984. This is Shelley Parker versus Auto Owners Insurance Company. The matter is before the court on a motion for reinstatement. Your appearance for Shelley Parker, do I have Shelley Parker or someone appearing for Ms. Parker?
Your Honor, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good morning. Your appearance?
I don't think I can hear the court.
All right, are we all mute and all? I'm hearing you well. Are you hearing me at all, sir?
Your Honor, I'll change my device. I seem to be having difficulty hearing the court. I apologize.
Not a problem. I hear you quite well. All right. Good morning, sir. You able to hear me?
He's still connecting.
Do I have any parties on Shelley versus Auto
Your Honor,
Owners? Yes, good morning to you. Can you hear me okay?
good morning. I can hear you. Did you call Discover versus Hedger?
No, I will be calling in just a moment.
Oh, okay. I apologize. I couldn't hear you on my other device, so I'll wait until I'm called. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you, sir. It's coming right up. All right, Shelley Parker versus Auto Owners Insurance. Anybody on this case on this Zoom at this time? The matter was set on at 9:00 a.m. For a motion to reinstate. All right, if any person related to that matter is on this Zoom, say something at this time. All right, I'll revisit that momentarily. I'm not getting any response in that regard. All right, the court now calls case number 22-178077, Discover Bank versus Catherine Hedger. The matter is before the court on the plaintiff's motion for summary disposition. All right, appearance for Discover Bank.
Good morning, Your Honor. Appearing on behalf of Discover Bank, William Saloom, P41487.
All right, thank you, counsel. And again, good morning to you, sir. Do I have Catherine Hedger on this Zoom? If you're here, say something, ma'am. If you're on this device, please say something, Ms. Hedger. If you are muted, you can push *6 and it'll get you off of mute. All right, I don't see anybody indicating, Mr. Sloan. Have you spoken with Ms. Hedger since filing the motion? Anything in that regard?
No, Your Honor, we have not. And we haven't received a response to the motion. I don't know if the court has one.
I do not. I'm looking again, though. See.
Your Honor, just to give the court a little background on this, back in April of 2022, or it may have been May, we thought we had a consent agreement with the defendant. And I think that was even on the record, possibly placed on the record. We submitted the judgment and the confirming letter, never got it back, made several attempts. And finally, I think in late 2022, we contacted the court. The case had been inadvertently dismissed, but it was reinstated. And since then, I don't think we've had any contact with defendant.
Given those set of circumstances, let me look at one other thing.
Yeah, all we're asking is for the court to enter a judgment as a matter of law pursuant to MCR 2.116C10. The answer to our original complaint just pled general denials. So that's what we would have done, the consent judgment, had we got it back. We did send a signed one to her, but she never returned it. And I guess never submitted it to the court either.
Yeah, I don't have anything indicating any response to a consent. Under the circumstances, then the court will grant the petition and will enter judgment on the granting of the motion for summary disposition where there's no genuine issue of material fact.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, there should be a judgment in the file that we submitted. If you don't have that, I can have our office send one.
I do see the judgment, counsel. I will sign it.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
So we'll get that out to you, counsel.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Likewise.
Goodbye.
All right, this is case number 22242986. This is Sharice Lindell versus Rod Watts. The matter is before the court on a petition to show cause regarding this is regarding the judgment that was entered in this case. That judgment was entered on, just one moment. The judgment was entered on the 12th of October 2022 by a magistrate of this court for $4,260.47. A subpoena was previously issued in this matter, and the defendant did not respond to the subpoena. Therefore, the court did issue a petition for show cause regarding this matter. Do I have Sharice Lindell on this Zoom? If you're here, say something at this time. Ms. Lindell, it looks like you're here. Take your device off of mute. Let's see if we can help you here. Lindell. Good morning.
Hello,
Yes, what's your name?
Sharice Liddell.
Thank you, Ms. Liddell. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, do I have Rod Watts on the Zoom? I'm looking for Mr. Watts now.
Yes,
You on this? Good morning to you.
sorry.
All right, Mr. Watts, this is a motion for show cause here because you did not show up when directed to turn over your check stubs, bank statements, and pension, retirement, Bitcoin, and stuff along that line. What are you gonna do about this judgment that you have outstanding against you, sir?
I didn't get nothing in the mail.
Yeah, you have a judgment against you, sir, and you need to provide some information regarding income and regarding social security number and things along those lines, or you need to set up some type of way that you can begin paying this.
That's what I was waiting for, some in the mail to where I can send the payment to, but I haven't received that.
All right, so that's something that can be worked out today for sure. So how are you planning on paying this, sir? The judgment is $4,260.47.
Okay, I was gonna like make a payment arrangement. Maybe I could do like 200 a month.
All right, Ms. Lindell,
Yes,
the gentleman is indicating that he wants to pay this on a payment arrangement of $200 a month.
sounds fine.
That makes sense to you?
Yes,
So, Mr. Watts, I will set it up for you to begin paying this at $200 per month. Ms. Lindell, is it okay if you send those payments to Bedford address?
so what address?
To the address of Bedford Street?
Yes, that's fine.
All right, now, do you have a mechanism for the payments to be made by Cash App or anything along those lines?
Yes, I have a cash app.
Mr. Watts, are you willing to make those payments by Cash App, sir?
Well, do you have got Cash App? Okay, yeah, Cash App be fine.
All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sign an order that will allow you to make payments at $200 per month. And as long as you make those payments, then there would not be an opportunity to garnish wages or anything like that in this case. If you don't make the payments, then Ms. Lindell has the right to simply have the order set aside, and then she will be able to pursue collection remedies regarding this matter. Are you working at this time, sir?
Yes, I am.
All right, where do you work, sir?
Hertz rent a car.
Okay. All right, very well. And so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sign an order, but I'm going to put the two of you in a breakout room to exchange Cash App information. I want to do that on the live Zoom here. Ma'am, you give him the place where you can send your payments by Cash App. And then I'm going to sign an order and I'm going to send it in the mail to both of you. One is to Mr. Watts on Edward Street in Inkster, and then to you, Ms. Liddell, on Bedford Street in Detroit, unit number 2. That makes sense to you, Ms. Liddell?
Yes, and when does the first payment start?
All right, that's what we're going to next. You asking the right question. When can you make that first payment, Mr. Watts?
This is February. Let's make it March the 20th. Is that okay?
That's a little far out. Usually,
It's already been a year.
I'm sorry, what did you say, Ms. Liddell?
It's already been over a year.
Yeah, that's a little far. We're at the 6th of February right now. You're gonna need to make a payment.
But can you make it? You all right?
What did you say? I didn't hear you then.
The 1st of March, March 1st.
Why don't we set this on a Friday? I'm gonna set it for February the 24th. And every 4th Friday is when you make your payment. Understand?
Okay.
All right. You understand that as well, Ms. Lindell?
Yes,
Okay, I'm gonna put that in the order. Payment is due Friday, 24th of February, and then each 4th Friday thereafter until this is paid off, okay? I'm gonna put the two of you in a breakout room so you can exchange information about the Cash App. And I'm gonna put in my order that the payment will be made by Cash App. So you have to exchange the information, give her,
For your cash
I
app.
give him the cash app information so he'll know that he's just sent it there, Miss Sharice, Miss Lindell.
Okay.
So there's your notification. Both of you go to the breakout room and then you can come back in the courtroom afterwards. Just click back in.
Okay, the breakout room is what you call it?
Yes, yeah, you should,
Okay.
just,
Okay, go somewhere breakout room.
yeah. Regarding the suffix 1984, neither party has appeared regarding that. It's a motion for reinstatement. Court will simply pass on this and consider ruling on the motion without a hearing or setting a new date. That's what we're